This is Gary Kayye, and we are here at the ALMA E4 AV Tour here in the Meadowlands, New Jersey, actually Secaucus. And I'm here with Joe Davis. Joe Davis is a sales consultant who manages a lot of the Northeast here for Da-Lite, right?
New York, New Jersey, and New York Metro.
How long have you been with Da-Lite?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. And where were you before that?
I came out of the AV industry in the wire and cable side of the business.
What company?
Annixters.
Oh yeah, I know Annixter, yeah. Great company. So now you're a screen expert, so you're going to tell me all about the screens. You've got a good little demo here, and then I want you to share ViewShare with me as well. So
Okay.
Let's start with the screens.
So let's talk a little bit about screens. So, you know, as technology is moving right now, we're into HD progressive today. Everyone's watching video in HD. The screen materials that are available today are standard def optics and HD optics. Most customers aren't aware that they're putting HD projectors against standard def optics. They're wasting money because they're not really getting any benefit. What we're trying to educate our customers to today is to look at their optics and look at their projectors, making sure that if you're using standard def optics, that you're using a standard def projector. If you use a high def projector against HD optics, you're not going to see any benefit. So there's really nothing to gain there. But what we're finding out in talking with customers, the average life cycle of a screen ranges anywhere from 10 to 20 years. And what we're finding out from the projector side is that you're changing projectors somewhere between 3 and 5 times over the life cycle of the screen. So what that means is if you put in standard def optics and you have standard def projectors, you're okay. But if you're putting in standard def optics and you have a high def projector,
You're wasting a lot of performance.
a lot of performance and you're wasting a lot of money. So what we're trying to explain to customers are if your budgets are constrained, put in HD optics because they're also 4K ready and you'll future-proof your designs.
So then here you're showing different gains, right?
What we have here is we have our HD progressive materials. We're looking at a 0.6 gain. We're looking at a 1.9, a 1.1, and a 1.3. The 0.6 gain should be used for home theater applications where you need high contrast. The 0.9 is typically for video. The 1.1 is for video/content. And the 1.3 is for high ambient light. Another advantage to the high definition materials are the half viewing angle increases from 60 degrees on the standard def to 85, which gives you a total of 170 on the full view. That puts us on the same playing field as a flat screen. So an LCD or an LED, you get 170 degree viewing angle. The next product I'd like to show you is our new ViewShare technology. What we've done is we've taken a high-def 1080p Logitech camera, and we've embedded it in the weight bar. And we take this camera and we use a scissor bar mechanism on the back of the screen for cable management.
So it's like a tension screen.
This will be an attention screen available in our Advantage series. We put in a USB to Ethernet converter inside the case of the actual screen, which allows you to run a up to 300 foot Ethernet cable to another extender, which converts it back from Ethernet to USB, plugs into a 4-port USB hub, which also allows you to plug in a speaker-microphone combination by Jabra into the same hub, plugged into your laptop. Then you can download any free client software such as Skype or Link, and you've got video teleconferencing.
So you've built video conferencing into the screen, which is kind of unique because now you don't have to worry about where you're going to mount your camera, which has always been a problem. And you're going to be, and most people look at the screen when they're looking at the front of the room, so it's going to look like they're looking directly in the camera because the camera's actually mounted at the bottom of the screen.
It's mounted at the bottom of the screen, and again, once you do that adjustment, and we look at the standards typically being 36 inches to 48 inches from the floor, you're going to get a really good view, plus you're going to get a 90-degree viewing angle. So in a small conference room, 10 to 20 foot, it's perfect.
Yeah, all right. That's called ViewShare, and you can check out all of this at Da-Lite on their website at Da-Lite.com, which is DA-LITE.com. Joe, thank you very much today. Have a good day, and welcome to this segment of the industry.